The CBC programs is an excellent opportunity for capacity buildings for public administration in our countries to improve governance in the areas. We can face challenges related to environment, to climate change, to connectivity, people-to-people activities, and it is not possible to face such challenges by yourself. You have to have a reliable partner, and this is what we are trying to achieve here. We try to involve, we try to discuss with our colleagues and exchange opinions.
Cooperation works. If you have a will to cooperate, you will find a way to cooperate.
It's also an opportunity to be in line with EU strategic papers, and to implement projects which later can be useful also for each country.
Promote social economic development of different Ukrainian regions, and all Ukrainian beneficiaries we receive very positive feedback.
Now we have upgraded the level of the cooperation, and now we are in the position of thinking of having more strategical cooperation approach, meaning more strategical projects regarding their impact, the budget, the cooperation schemes. So this means that the whole idea is progressing through time.
Of course, I cannot hide that there are certain risks and obstacles. For example, for our own experience, programs are quite complex. They require a lot of effort from the public authorities, from the civil servants. There are lots of procedures which need to be drafted and implemented. This is sometimes seen as a burden for the civil servants. And we need to think about this in the next programming period. We have to make the programs simpler. We have to make the implementation smoother.
All these procedures should be simplified significantly within the new programming period.
Timing, because for the applying time till the implementing part, they spend more than 1.5 years. So in a challenging world, I think it's really too much.
We would rather want to capitalize on the procedures built in the current and past programming period, rather than having new ones. Maybe over the time when our national systems, management and control systems, would be rather strong, we can upgrade them. But for this point and for this moment in time, we'd rather focus on fostering the procedures and rules we have at the moment.
We have to simplify, let's say, the management and control system to make it much more clear regarding the procedures. We have to see if the checks and balances that we have inserted in the systems are functional and how functional they are. Maybe they have to be a little bit modernized. And definitely we have to think on the implementation and the selection of the projects in a more rational approach and more strategic approach, more visible and tangible results due to better and greater project schemes.